Hi everyone, my name is Lauren Hunt. I'm here today to give a quick testimonial as to why I would recommend Butler Plumbing to anyone and their family. As you can see, we are standing in a very typical basement suite. This happens to be my own home. And right where I'm standing is where we had our own sewer backup this year. And the first person we called was Kevin Cordy from Butler Plumbing. They immediately dispatched a gentleman. Their dispatch line was friendly, quick to respond, and very helpful on the phone. The guy they sent to site was nothing but professional. He was very nice. He was very well dressed, very respectful. He even asked us which entranceway to use to our house, knowing that it was a basement suite and didn't want to track all his tools through our space upstairs, which was great. The first thing he did was he came down here and took a look at all of the plumbing and on the pipes just to assess all of it as a whole thing. And he walked us through the process and told us what he would be doing. He then asked us if we would be comfortable leaving him here to do the work or if we wanted to stick around because we do have animals and he didn't want them to be uncomfortable. And once he was done, he walked us through all the work that he did and he showed us how to check for future problems and what to watch for. He even looked at our kitchen sink upstairs to make sure that the sewer backup hadn't affected any of the main water lines that we might be using, of course, up there as well. And then he cleaned up after himself and signed off and away he went. So I have nothing but great things to say about Butler Plumbing. I would highly recommend them to anyone, friends, family, likewise. They're great, they're friendly, they're very professional. Give them a call. They're wonderful.